So you want to use Samsung Pay on your Gear. Here's how to set it up and add your first payment card. Before starting, please note that Samsung Pay for your Gear is set up through Gear Manager, not the main Samsung Pay app. Also, make sure your Gear and Gear Manager are up to date. On your device, open Samsung Gear. Tap the Settings tab, then Samsung Pay. Sign into your Samsung account. On your Gear, set a 4-digit PIN. On your device, read and tap Agree to the terms. Tap Next, then follow the tutorial on your Gear. Great! Now on your device, tap Add Card. Scan your card using the camera. Follow the prompts on screen and complete any ID and verification processes from your card issuer. Tap Done to finish up. In the next videos, you'll find out how to add a payment card to your Gear and make your first purchase with it.